Welcome. Today we are looking at why the British championed the abolition of slave trade in history. Thanks for subscribing. Why the British championed the abolition of slave trade. The British Parliament resolved in 1807 to abolish the slave trade because with the Industrial Revolution, machines worked faster and hence human labor was no longer necessary. Adam Smith, an English economist, stated that free labor was more productive than slave labor. British philanthropists such as William Wilberforce, Granville, Sharp, and Christian missionaries condemned the slave trade as inhuman. Due to industrialization, Britain wanted to acquire raw materials from Africa. This would only be possible if the slave trade was abolished and African populations remained intact to provide raw materials as well as market for European goods. Public opinion in Britain condemned the slave trade as inhuman. The Christian revival movement of the 19th century felt that trade in slaves was evil and had to be stamped out to give room for evangelization in Africa. Independence of the USA in 1776 left Britain in a dilemma. She had no colonies to take the slaves to work in. The French revolutions of 1789 spread the ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity of all humankind. This made many people question slavery and slave trade. Britain had to abolish it. Development of the legitimate trade influenced the abolition of the slave trade. With the closure of the American slave market after the American Civil War in 1865, slave dealers had no market for the slaves. Britain finally persuaded other European countries to stop slavery and slave trade by signing anti-slave trade treaties. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.